10 natural ways to have white and healthy teeth. Introduction. Have you ever wished for naturally white, bright, and healthy teeth without spending a fortune on dental treatments? Many people believe that the only way to achieve a beautiful smile is through professional whitening or expensive toothpaste. But the truth is, there are effective natural and home remedies that can enhance both the beauty and health of your teeth. In this video, we will explore 10 natural ways to have white and healthy teeth that will not only brighten your smile, but also ensure overall oral health. Let's discover these natural secrets together. 1. Baking soda and lemon, a natural teeth whitener. Baking soda is one of the most well-known natural remedies for whitening teeth. It has mild abrasive properties that help remove surface stains from teeth. When combined with lemon juice, it becomes a powerful whitening paste. How to use it? Mix a small amount of baking soda with a few drops of lemon juice to form a paste. Use a toothbrush to apply the paste to your teeth and brush gently. After 1 minute, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Note, do not use this method more than twice a week, as the acidity of lemon juice can weaken tooth enamel. 2. Coconut oil, the amazing oil pulling technique. Coconut oil is one of the best natural methods for maintaining oral health. The technique, known as oil pulling, helps remove bacteria and toxins from the mouth while also whitening teeth. How to use it? Take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Swish it around in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. Spit it out and rinse your mouth with water. This technique not only whitens teeth, but also helps prevent bad breath and gum disease. 3. Banana peel, a cheap and natural teeth whitener. It might sound strange, but banana peels are rich in minerals like potassium, magnesium, and manganese, which help whiten teeth. How to use it? Take a piece of banana peel and rub the inside part on your teeth. Wait for 2 minutes, then rinse your mouth with water. Do this daily for better results. 4. Activated charcoal, a powerful stain remover. Activated charcoal can absorb toxins and bacteria from the mouth and remove stains caused by coffee, tea, and smoking. How to use it? Put a small amount of activated charcoal on your toothbrush and brush your teeth gently. After 1 minute, rinse your mouth thoroughly. Use this method 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. 5. Apple cider vinegar, a strong but cautious whitener. Apple cider vinegar has powerful antibacterial properties that can help remove stains from teeth. How to use it? Mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. Swish the solution in your mouth, then rinse with water. Note, due to its acidity, do not use this method more than twice a week. 6. Strawberries and baking soda, a powerful whitening combo. Strawberries contain malic acid, which helps remove surface stains from teeth. When combined with baking soda, it creates a natural whitening paste. How to use it? Mash 1 strawberry and mix it with half a teaspoon of baking soda. Apply the mixture to your teeth and leave it for 5 minutes. Rinse your mouth with water. 7. Crunchy foods like apples and carrots. Crunchy foods like apples, carrots, and celery act as natural toothbrushes and help remove plaque from teeth. How to use it? Eat an apple or this not only cleans your teeth, but also promotes overall oral and gum health. 8. Green tea, a friend of healthy teeth. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that help maintain healthy gums and teeth. How to use it? Drink 1 or 2 cups of green tea daily. Green tea also reduces harmful bacteria in the mouth and prevents tooth decay. 9. Drink plenty of water, a simple yet effective method. Drinking enough water helps wash away food particles and harmful acids in the mouth, preventing stains on teeth. How to use it? Drink a glass of water after every meal. 10. Use floss and the right toothbrush. Even if you use natural methods, you should never skip flossing and brushing. Flossing helps clean areas that a toothbrush cannot reach. How to use it? Use dental floss at least once a day. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and a good toothpaste. Conclusion: having white and healthy teeth is not difficult. You just need to follow these simple and natural methods. By adopting these habits, you can achieve a brighter smile and maintain strong oral health. Which method did you find most interesting? Have you tried any of these before? Share your experience in the comments.